Welcome back to Thriving and Balanced. Thanks for being here. I'm finally taking some much needed PTO. That is personal time off, and I can't be more excited. Over the next 2 weeks, I'll share how I planned and prepped to take this time off. Plus, I'll give you a peek into what I'm doing my first week. I'll also share some of my favorite foods, cozy cafes that I've been going to, and my go-to keto lunches. I'm going to be getting into the holiday spirit, I hope, and I can't wait to share that with you. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Kim, and I am the face behind Thriving and Balanced. I wanted to come on and introduce myself to you today so you know that it is a real person talking to you behind the almost slideshow video. I'm going to try and incorporate some more live images to the videos to bring a little more interest to them. And I just wanted to come on and say hello. It's very nice to meet you, and I hope you enjoy the videos to come. Thank you so much for visiting. Raise of hands, who can relate that you have to work twice as much to take time off than you do during your normal business hours? Both of my hands are raised. Unless you are self-employed. I'm not sure that this really applies to you. I'm off for 2 weeks and I began working to take this time off last month. Truly. I do work a lot and I have a lot of weekly development projects that go on, and I have to set them up prior to me leaving. It is a labor of love, but woo-wee, I am glad that it is over. Now that I have time to work on my videos, I can plan my content calendar and enjoy lots of nighttime fires. And I stuck a little picture of Altoids here because I am addicted to those. So when I'm feeling stressed out, I eat Altoids. So I may be stressed, but I have fresh breath. Eating keto is a challenge. And if you've never done it, it is a challenge. And if you're doing it, I'm sure you'll agree that it is a challenge. Here are some of my favorite lunches that do not take a lot of time. One of my favorite things to do is after I have fried chicken, I put it in a salad the next day. And I put all kinds of things in it. I put nuts and seeds and corn and tomatoes, spinach, almonds, all of it. I love portobello mushrooms. I put ground turkey, seasoned ground turkey inside of it. Put lettuce and tomato, make some onion rings. It's absolutely delicious. Taco boats. Okay, tacos are not the same if you don't have a fried shell. So I know that. However, there are some days that I can't eat fried shells all the time. So taco boats it is, wrapped in lettuce. The last thing is a hamburger. So to cut out the carbs, I cut out the bun and everything is wrapped in lettuce. It's excellent. If you would like any of these recipes, please let me know in the comments and I'm happy to share them with you. Sunday. I love to walk on Sunday morning. I go to the Paradise Cafe, which just opened in my neighborhood. I go there for coffee and yogurt, and it's very relaxing. And I'm also getting all my steps in. It's so delicious, and the atmosphere is just lovely. Here is my recipe for fried chicken. I made fried chicken this week, and as I showed you earlier, I do dice it up for probably the rest of the week and eat it in salad. But this is one of the best fried chicken recipes I have to date. I have seasonings, coating. It's made with almond flour, ground breadcrumbs. It is delicious. Once I fry the chicken, so my secret to keeping the crust crispy, I fry the chicken and then I put it in the oven and bake it. I also pair cauliflower mash with the fried chicken, and I also have made corn. So I put 4 cloves of garlic in the cauliflower mash after it's all drained and mix it up with Kerrygold butter or any kind of butter you'd like and some almond milk, and it's excellent. I'll put the recipe in the description. Food can be the mirror of ourselves, reflecting the decisions and circumstances that lead to our eating habits. I find food to be the cross-the-table conversation maker, the difficult decision softener, and the conduit to allow us to come together. Cooking is my love language, and I truly enjoy it. It is cathartic to me. I think my way through a lot of things while I'm prepping food and cooking it. What are some of the things you enjoy cooking? And is cooking a labor of love for you too? Until next time.